Aromatherapy Essential Oil Blend for aching tired muscles. Stiff, sore or inflamed muscles. Create a massage blend with one, all or your favorites from the following essential oils. Mix with your favorite carrier. So simple and very effective. 5 drops Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender is an anti-inflammatory. It helps relieve inflammation around the joints, and contains calming properties proven to help reduce stress. 5 drops Roman Chamomile Essential Oil. Roman Chamomile relieves pain, and breaks down uric acid deposits surrounding joints. It is also a well-known sedative and calms the nervous system. 5 drops Cypress Essential Oil. Cypress Essential Oil has antispasmodic qualities. It stops spasms, reduces muscle cramps and relieves muscle pulls. Cypress oil is very effective in relieving restless leg syndrome and chronic pain. 5 drops Rosemary Essential Oil. Rosemary contains potent anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. 5 drops Eucalyptus Essential Oil. Eucalyptus contains anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and antiseptic properties. These provide significant relief from muscle and joint pain. It also has a cooling and refreshing effect, which works to reduce stress and mental exhaustion. To make the essential oil massage blend, you can use all 5 oils, or a combination of the oils that are best suited for your symptoms. You can also choose one or more purely because they are the oils you prefer. The choice is yours. Simply use the following ratio: 5 drops of essential oil to 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. Good carrier oils are jojoba, avocado, sweet almond, coconut, argan, rosehip or grapeseed. Enjoy and relax. For more essential oil blends and aromatherapy remedies, go to www.healthynatured.com.